All right, state your name and where you work.
My name's Ryan and I work for Germain Ford of Beavercreek.
And how long have you been there, Ryan?
I've been there just over a week now. So it's really been a great refresher for me as far as the procedures for alignments, and I felt like I got a much better understanding of what those values actually mean. I had a pretty good understanding of what camber and toe was, but didn't understand so much SAI and caster. Now I actually know what those mean and how those are going to affect the car. So they really teach you the way to be more efficient with it, not only how to do it, but the steps you can take to just shave off those couple of minutes and make it no harder for yourself, but you're able to get that car in and out faster and make sure they're not going to come back. I think I definitely have a much better understanding of what I'm looking for and how to diagnose problems. I think it's great that Germain is willing to invest in their employees like that, and it really gives me the confidence that it's a good place to work for, and it's just somewhere I'd like to be. I really like it because it's not all classwork. It is actually hands-on. We're disassembling struts, we're diagnosing problems on actual cars that are rusty, actual cars that have seized suspension components, and it's very realistic and actually applies to what you're going to be doing.